What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't joined us before, we are Roaming with the Richards. I'm Jonathan, this is my wife Angelica, and we are here at Splash Country at Dollywood for the very first time.
And we are already wet.
Yep, because it's raining.
But even though we're the crazy ones going to a water park in the rain.
Is that really crazy? Because you're going to get wet anyway.
Exactly.
But we're here to celebrate the 25th anniversary of Splash Country. So this is actually also our first time going to the park, into the water park for Dollywood. So we're going to check it out, see what they have to offer, and come along with us. Alright, so we don't really go to water parks that much.
No.
So this is the very first water coaster that either of us is ever going to ride.
Yep.
It's here, River Rush water coaster. So we're going to go ahead and check that out. All right, so that was a blast.
Yes.
That was definitely fun.
I
we
love
rode
the
it
fact
twice.
that you get to go back up. Like, was not expecting that fully.
Yeah, we rode it twice, and both time frames they got me in front. And so every time frame we got going up, I get splattered.
I got a little splattered, but not as much.
That might have been my spit. But no, joking. But anyway, yeah, no, really fun ride. Definitely going to be riding it again before we leave.
Yep. Do you want to take the plunge?
Well, I was going to say,
plunge?
did you know this water park also has a Big Bear, like the main theme park? What? Well, that's Big Bear Plunge. Is in Big Bear Mountain.
Does this one go as fast as the coaster? I hope not.
I hope not either. My question is this the sister to the roller coaster, or is this the child? Is this Bear Cub? But anyway, that's going to be next, and we're going to just kind of show off the ending of the ride. So even Splash Country has its own splash pad.
Yep.
To make sure the even little ones that can't really like enjoy the pools and the bigger area better, like they can just have this little splash pad that they can pretty much walk around, get wet in. So this park is really tries to be family friendly.
I will say I was surprised at the size of babies I saw at the bigger splash pad that were, probably like 6 months old, going down some of the smaller slides with their parents. You had
to use Charlotte.
Yeah, utilize, I had to show Charlotte that one of them was very little. I said, do you want to go down like that little baby did? And she went down after that.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and see what the other park has to offer. The downbound float trip. It is there at Lazy River. And the entrance is right there, not far from the front of the park. Like the entrance to the park, it's like the first thing that you come across on. So this is the entry port, and we'll probably show off clips of different spots that we see them on. All right, so it's time to eat. So we're over here at the Campsite Grill. Charlotte's not happy.
She wants to go back to the splash pad.
Charlotte wants to go
back. She's
back.
having like the time of her life.
Yep. So we're gonna go over here to the Campsite Grill, check it out. That's the main hub that we've seen.
Yep.
For food. Outside of that, they've got like smaller spots for food. outside of that. So we're gonna go ahead and see what they got.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna have some bacon cheeseburger to split, as well as some chicken tenders. All right, Angelica is gonna go walk up and get on Mountain Scream, which looks like it's 3 slides, 2 tube slides, and then a open face slide. She's gonna get on the open face slide. So how did you care about the Mountain Scream orange slide?
That was fun. I definitely got some airtime coming down, but like my back left the slide.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be a little more painful, but because of the water cushion, I didn't really feel like I slammed back into it.
So your back didn't hurt?
No, my back was fine.
When I rode this one earlier, my shoulder blades were killing me.
Oh, well, I kind of leaned my shoulders up, so it was more so my middle back that would have hit it, but it like I said, water was there. Yeah. I did get water up my nose, but that's just normal for a water slide.
Yeah. All right, Swift Water Run. That ride, it sounds like it's going to be a very fast-paced ride. When we read on it, it looks like it said some intense drops, a bowl, and then you're going to get plunged into about a foot of water.
So
almost 2 feet of water.
Flushed down in a bowl.
Yep, you're going to get flushed if you're at this ride. So we're going to go ahead and get on that one. More so, we're going to get on it, but we're going to have to record our reaction, like kind of tell you about it a little bit later, because we got to hand the phone off. And
yeah.
So we're going to get on it, but we're going to record some other stuff before we get on it and then talk about it.
Yeah.
All right, Swift Water Run. We've already rode it once earlier. So now I want to come back and talk about it.
Yep.
So it was actually a really fun ride.
Yes.
It pretty much, we went around the tube,
the
bowl.
About 3 times.
Yeah, 3 times. We made it 3 times around. You were terrified on the 3rd time. And almost on that 3rd time, like when we kind of crested, like either we're going to go in the tube. Yeah, I was like, wait a minute, we barely made it. But outside that was really fun. We're gonna also see that there was a cutaway over here, so we're gonna see what's over there as well.
Some more slides, I think.
Yeah, I think it's some more slides. We're gonna go check that out. All right, so up this way past Swift Water Run is Mountain Twist and Slick Rock Racers. All right, Slick Rock Racer is just pretty much a standard slide like that, and I think I'll get on it this time.
All right.
So we'll check it out.
So this is Mountain Twist, and this is another body slide with those mats. Jonathan's gonna ride it for us and check it out. You ready? There he is.
All right, the Mountain Waves wave pool. You didn't know you didn't know the mountains had waves, did you? But here in the Splash Country, yep, you can catch some mountain waves. Also, he's got it's a DJ, like it looks like kind of right up there where the also helps activate the waves, kind of right off of that stage little area. Yep. I don't know about you, but I kind of want to try some of the sweet treats from there.
Yes, definitely at least a couple of them.
Yeah, I want to do the cookies and cream ones. What, is there another one that you would want to try?
I like the look of all of them. The blackberry cobbler might have been good. The peanut butter chocolate.
So we might have to get the blackberry cobbler and the cookies and cream and check and pretty much show them on for the video as well.
Yeah.
And show that off for y'all. All right, here's another good close-up for the stage area that we were talking about. As you can see, more ducks. And a good shot of the wave pool. And off to the side of the wave pool, you have Fire Tower Falls.
That looks pretty tall.
Yeah. So I think me and you are going to go ahead and ride it.
You want to race?
Yeah, we'll race and let my sister record that part. What do you think?
Yep.
So we decided to go ahead and get another treat, and or get a treat now. So we went back over to Ned's Bear Paws, and so we got a cookies and cream bear paw, and we got a blackberry cobbler.
Hey.
All right, so Charlotte wanted to try the blackberry one, so we're gonna let her try it.
Is it good?
Well, she went for another bite. I think it's good. Let's go ahead and let Angelica try the blackberry. Yeah. All right. I don't really care a lot of fruity, like sweet treats, but
Pretty good?
yeah. I mean, it's not something I would want, but it's actually really good.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll go ahead and do the try out the cookies and cream.
I think it's already melting a little bit in the sun.
I think that's the Hershey syrup that he put on it. And you just got nothing but syrup and whipped cream, I guess. Is that the better one? Now you gonna like it? Okay.
She might not want the berry one anymore.
Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, me personally, this is 10 times better than that one. 10 times better. It all depends on, I think, like what you would want.
Yeah, this one
right?
Definitely is more like fruitier.
Yeah,
and so that one's really good.
Of course it's going to be fruitier. It's fruity.
Yes. But it's more like a fruity dessert, and then you have chocolate if you're a chocolate lover.
But like with the, even at that though, I feel like there's, depending on what your taste buds was, if you want something lighter, this would be it.
Yeah, this is more rich.
Yeah.
Very rich.
Wild River Falls. And here's the tubes for it. You grab your tube, and you're gonna walk up, and this is what you're going, the slides that you're gonna go down on. And from the top of this area is where you get the nice overlook where the ducks are at, and see out to where the grill, the trading post, the lazy river.
That way.
Yeah, the lazy river goes that way.
You go under the bridge.
And circle a good part of the park, I think.
That's long.
Yeah. You want to do some high-speed plunge? Well, you can get on the butterfly. And this is what it looks like up top. And we'll go circle around and show the drop. Now, you can't see it because of these trees too much, but the pole is more so the reason why they have the name butterfly.
Yeah.
It's a butterfly shape. So if your kids want to take pretty much want to go for a swim without going on the big water splash pad right here, they do have the Cascades just right over here to the right of the that big splash area, and you actually get a really good shot of the Fire Tower Falls. Is that what that was called again?
That's it.
Now this is a nice little looking watering hole. they've got going on here. Kind of got the nice scenery of the mountains, waterfalls going down right there, which you can pretty much swim up to. Then you have also two very small slides for the kids to pretty much kind of get a good introduction to slides as well, and able to swim right off. But if your kids weren't fully still ready for that, here is a kiddie pool section of this watering hole. So, are you looking for a good pair of sandals? We always recommend Tevas if you are. And over here at Splash Country, they were selling some over at the main gift shop area, and it was like priced at $90. And so Angel wanted a pair. We bought a pair with the My Diamond Pass, which was a 20% off. Yep. And it would end up being about $73 roughly with tax. Yep. So it was a really good deal with the Tevas as far as than what we can normally get. It is. We normally go to REI to get ours. So, but I'm going to show them off. They look like really nice pair.
Well, I look like a beet.
Yeah, I look like a lobster. We had fun though. Really, this is the first time we walked in here, ever came in here, had a blast. Yep. The only thing we didn't ride that we should have been able to ride.
We didn't see it.
Well, more so I saw it coming in, didn't think about it coming until we got out when the park closed, and that was a Tailspin Racer.
Yeah, it's like right there at the entrance, so you don't really walk past it unless you remembered it was there.
Yeah, so we didn't get that one at all. We didn't, nothing.
No, yeah.
Nothing. But outside of that, we had a really fun time. Yeah. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and if y'all did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch y'all next time.
Thanks for watching.
Later.